have also written on behalf of all the cooks of midday meal, because they receive a small salary, only 1,000 per month from the central. So I request the state also to give from the fund of the state for them also, so that at least they can get a salary of 3,000 or 4,000 per month, because they spend not less than 6 hours a day in preparing the midday meal and then washing all the utensils. So it is very sad to hear their grievances that during this Christmas and New Year also they have not yet received their salary, pending salaries of 5 or 6 months. So I request the state government also to have a special consideration for them, because they are getting a salary of 10 months only, not 12 months. And that is also only 1,000 per month from the central. So I request that from the share of the state government also should help them, because the SSA teachers, as per my knowledge, the central is giving them around 15 or 16,000. The rest extra being given from the state fund, another 5,000-6,000 extra from the state fund. So why not consider this cook of midday meal also, the central giving them 1,000? Why not another 2,000 from the state government? At least 3,000 or 4,000 per month they should get.